In this video, I will show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Spotify. Now to go ahead and make a playlist, once you've opened up Spotify, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto your library. From this screen, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto this plus button, which is the create button. And what it's going to do is bring up this pop-up menu at the bottom. And from here, you just want to select playlist. At this point, what you can do is give your playlist a name. So I'm going to call this one test example, just like so, and then press the green create button to create your playlist. Once you've done that, you'll be taken into your playlist screen, and to go ahead and add songs to this playlist, all you need to do is simply press the add to this playlist button, as you can see just here. Then what we can do is start searching for songs that we want to add to this playlist. So we can use the search box at the top and just go ahead and search for different songs. And once you find the songs that you want to add to your playlist, you're going to see a plus button to the right hand side of each song. So all you need to do is simply press the plus button to add this to your playlist. So what I'm going to do is just add a couple of these to my playlist, just like so. As you can see, each time I'm pressing the plus button, you can see at the bottom we're getting a confirmation saying that this has been added to our playlist. So here is what our playlist is currently looking like, and we can just simply press the green play button to go ahead and start playing our playlist. What we can also do if you do have Spotify Premium is press the green download button here to download the songs onto our phone so we can listen offline. And we can do other things, for example sharing our playlist by pressing the share button here, and then we can share this playlist through different social networks, or simply just copy the link if you want to send this playlist to one of your friends or something like that. So that is a quick overview on how to make a playlist on Spotify. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.